Well folks, today is an important day because we're finally doing a bit of work on the Golf. Now it's took about 6 months, we've missed all the summer, we've missed all the shows, but I've got around to it, I've washed it and we're going to do a bit of work. And when I say we, obviously I've got Lewis round because I don't really know what I'm doing unless it involves a hammer. So he's busy fixing away while I talk to the camera, being useless, which is what I'm going to be doing most of the day. So we're going to talk through with him what actually I did, which is deleting the... What did I do? We'll show him everything, try and get him to fix it, and hopefully have a working Golf for January, apart from the carb issues, which we'll get to another time. But for now, electrics, they're going to be sorted at last. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, like the video, all that bollocks.
I'm going to do mechanic poses.
Is that your mechanic pose?
Yeah, and you gotta sort of... That's the one.
Is that it? Should I just film you doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lewis, you're gonna help me fix this today, aren't you?
Hopefully.
Yeah, basically, so let me take you on this journey I've been on about. There is a journey. So, when I bought this off Charlie Burns, you know Charlie Burns very well, yes. There was an immobiliser which didn't work, which weren't connected anymore, which was just next to there. Oh, it's very dark. I'll get another shot of that later. Yeah, there's a big immobiliser unit there,
yeah, which
I took out, took all the cables out of, realised I disconnected the ignition, the front windows, which are electric, the wiper blades and jets, the hazards, only one of the indicators work, but they work fine on the stalk. Connected the ignition back up, so that's fine. It's just all the other things, I don't know where to plug them into the fuse board originally. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's we'll get there. I look like a double glazing salesman in my Sierra. You look like you're in Emmerdale, and you look like a mum from the 80s. This is what like 80s mums had, isn't it? Right. Looks a bit fusey and relay down here. You know, fuses and relays.
Yeah. Yes. So Lewis, what do you reckon the problem is with my cabling, my madness down here?
Hardwired there, isn't it? There to there. For your windows, it's just reversible polarity in the switch. It's going to be your input. There's going to be something wrong with your input.
So what does that mean for a guy that only uses a hammer as a tool and don't really know much about cars?
We need to trace a few wires. Where are these from again?
Where are they from? They're the wiper blades and jets, which I've already conveniently found for you and tested, and they're definitely the wiper blades and jets.
Definitely, yeah. Today's going to be fun, isn't it? How the fuck is this happening? So, right.
Yeah, there is some bodge jobbing that's been done over the years.
So what we need to do really is find out if this is live.
Trying to plug the battery in.
Should be on ignition live, yeah. And get this the key.
Alright. 90s garage. Yeah, them switches are a bitch to get out as well. Keys.
Cheers, mate.
Remember, there's absolutely no petrol in it.
That's alright.
Helpfully. Always helpful here.
So we've got a live to here. There's a live to there, and that splits off.
So is that live to both switches? Or?
The live splits off from here. Looks like, and the earth. So white and black. So your white and black are your signal wires. So your switch should just reverse the polarity. Sounds good, don't it, saying stuff like that?
Yeah, I was going to say in layman's terms.
Layman's terms, I think your switches were wrong. Have you had these out?
I have not, no. But there is a lot of bodge jobbing been done.
There's something there, and then there's not something here. Well, there is. So they work. Up to there is alive.
Up to there, everything's good.
Yeah.
So it's just wherever it goes after.
Yeah.
Rip the car to parts, man. How did you do that?
Hey?
How did you do that?
Take the screws out. Get a little...
Wow, you've actually took it out, which we haven't actually noticed before and I was forgetting to film. How did you do that, Lewis?
Just took it out of the pack, give it a good pull.
And then it just comes out.
So you know that wiring I was checking?
Yeah, the one which is live.
Yeah, that's your 12 volt cigarette lighter.
Oh, that doesn't work. Well, it didn't. Can you get that working as well?
It's got a live to it.
Has it?
Yeah.
So it should work.
Should do. It's going to stay in there now, isn't it?
You're meant to be fixing things, not finding more issues. I mean, is it?
Touch it.
Yeah.
There we are. So I'll fix that.
Brilliant.
Fucking good, isn't I? Right, so that'll work now.
But
Right.
he's already sent his invoice for that one.
We need a live to there.
Yeah.
If we get a live to here, then these should work as well.
And they're the windows, yeah?
That's the main feed to the windows. As you can see, it goes in, loops off, loops off, loops off, loops off, loops off, loops off. So it should, in theory, work. I need to find out which one's live. I'm going with red for live, but it's German electric, so.
As long as the windows work when we're finished, I don't care what you do.
Okay, have you got a test piece of wire we can use?
How?
If not, I bought a little bit.
How big?
I ain't gonna go to the battery, is it?
It might do.
Right, let's find a live down here then. Where's the window fuse, you know?
The window fuse?
Yes.
Oh, I've got a bit of fucking plastic for you. There you are.
Oh, look at that. Is it in German?
Some of it is, but there is English as well.
Why?
Apparently Volkswagen isn't that helpful, and on the diagram of the fuse boards they don't actually tell you which one's the windows, which is the only thing we really want to know. So I'm going to go upstairs and find some information out for Lewis on the wiring diagram. Lewis is going to fix things, I'm not too sure what, but we're getting there. You've had an idea?
Yeah, well, to go the live,
yeah,
you know, it's a live to a cigarette lighter. So if we plug that into here somewhere. So which one was saying lives, guys? Do you know? I'm going with this one.
You go with that one, yeah?
It's not that one. I'll go with this one. That's alive.
Which colour?
Red with a white trace.
Red with a white trace is
So
alive.
if we go red with a white trace.
Which is probably not helpful for any other Mark II owner because this car's been bodged to hell.
Looks like it might have gone there. If we pop a fuse, we pop a fuse. Fires are better, but that can be connected back up. No, I can't. So far, no fire.
It seems like no windows either.
I don't fucking know. Just don't fucking know. I love the confidence. We just gotta find a live for these windows. I'll just try and turn it over, just to make sure there we are, nothing's blown.
Yeah.
So if I disconnect this,
So you try and plug them into that relay with the ignition?
yeah. I could link it to a permanent live in your cigarette lighter.
If it'll do the windows, that'll do me.
Any earth. Any fucking earth. That would do, isn't
I'm
it?
liking it. It feels like fucking Fast and Furious, but just with better cars.
Yeah. With family. Right, that'll do as a fucking earth, I think.
Oh, yeah, anything will do, as long as we don't set on fire.
Yeah, I don't like fire.
Do you not?
I do, but Charlie Bird's put me off it a bit.
Well, he didn't burn your tent down, did he?
How did you know?
How much did that cost you again?
I can't remember now, I think it's 15 quid.
I have nowhere to sleep.
Well, you're the one pouring diesel on your house.
It was 15 quid. Someone owes me 15 quid.
Sure, you're filming this diesel in his hand that he's pouring on the job.
What is water? Saying to him, it's starting to look like Fast and Furious, but with better cars.
This is fucking brilliant.
It's not bad, is it?
I like this. I had a jet of this colour.
Apologise for these. I'm just filming his work to expose him on YouTube. Of how
Mate,
bad L.T
many
Motors
people have
is.
tried to
Yeah.
expose him on YouTube.
I exposed myself on YouTube. What's this, like Rogue Traders? L.T Motors, yeah?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, I love it.
Right, let's hope we get these the right way around. Which one's going to say live? I'm going to go with that
Take a
for
pic.
live.
That's
Do us
my
a
own
favour,
heart.
hold that on an earth, any earth. Is there a striker there? Door striker? Hold that there. I will now put this, I'm going to insert my test piece into here. There's probably
It's a
much
bit like
better
Blue
ways.
Peter, this.
There is probably much better ways of doing this, just so you've,
It's still good.
for fuck's sake.
It's not like anyone's going to be watching it.
I hope not. So far, so good.
Alright.
I'm a fucking genius.
I can hear something.
The fucking window motor's working, isn't it, boys?
Oh mate, you got lecky windows and everything.
Oh, there it is. I do now.
Oh my god.
There we are, chaps. Let's just try that one.
She's a slow burner.
Trying.
She's a slow burner, that one.
Well, I'm a fucking genius. We just need to find a permanent live then and earth for that.
Alright.
I mean, if
can
you
I
want
let go of this and have my cup of tea now?
Yeah, I was going to say, if you want that to be a permanent earth, we'll just slam it in the door.
Just slam it in the door.
I reckon that might work with enough blue tack.
You impressed yet, anyone?
Right.
Is anyone impressed yet?
A little bit, I've got to be honest. That was alright, that, yeah.
Like and subscribe.
There you are.
Oh yeah, I'm just...
Hey. I'm a bit jealous of you in this,
It's nice, isn't it, man?
I didn't know I liked these until I looked at yours, and now I do.
I had this exact one on my wall on a poster as a kid.
Really?
So yeah, I saw this at my mate's garage and was like, yeah.
I had like Cosworths on my wall as a kid, but I can't afford them, so
Yeah.
I've just bought a replica 3-door and this.
What's wrong with this? You need putting a new belt on.
Putting a new alternator belt on, but it's ready for its fucking engine swap. I've got a 2-litre blacktop Z-Tech to go in it, and it'll be fast as fuck, boy. Sideways skids.
You have to let us film it.
Yeah, oh mate, yeah, you can film all my illegal activities. Oh no, when I'm talking about my Cosy rep, what if I just take a big pause? I'm like, yeah, I've got a 3-door Sierra Cosworth.
Here's a top tip. Fuckhead. Fuckhead. Yeah, we should sort the windows.
You sorted the windows?
Yeah, windows
Do you want to show me again, because you haven't shown me yet, obviously.
Do you want to see the windows working?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's not...
Show me what you've done.
But I managed to find this...
They broke now.
I managed to find this a little place to go.
So you're plugging them in there, yeah?
Yeah, put them in there. And then, do you want the on pressing switch? Or you can be working?
I should be able to do it.
One working window. Go on, you can do it.
You can do it.
Come on.
Yes!
The Golf lives.
Did that just meow? Oh no, I thought that meowed.
Face gone. What next?
We need to find out that wire that you've lost.
That I've lost?
Yeah.
Oh no.
What's your centre console, Gaz? It weren't these, was it? It weren't those ones that I've put in there, was it? They were dangling. Maybe...
I'd turn the car on, would you?
Just work. Go on. Let's check the fuse. Windscreen wipers and washer, number 5.
But yeah, we can't find the cables that we once had, so...
I can read German, you see.
You can read German?
This what happened then?
Yeah, they're working. What are you doing?
Oh mate.
I'm just fucking good at what I'm doing.
They're the slowest windscreen wipers I've ever seen, but they are working.
They get the job done.
Yeah.
It's a bad connection. Let's do a simple continuity test. Alright, earth continuity test. You put them together, you got the continuity, your multimeter will beep at you. So, between this fuse, there should be continuity.
There you go, Chief.
Which there's not. If we try this one, that's a 10, but continuity.
Oh my god.
Continuity's key then.
Yeah, we'll try a 10 amp for now. As you can see, your wipers are now working.
They'll do me.
Basic fuse.
Amazing.
Do the back ones work?
Gay.
The tip is, viewers, always start simple and cheap.
Like me.
The windows are done, wipers are done. Do the jets work?
Yeah, jets work.
Have you tried them?
Yeah, just try it.
Your screen is fucking wet, boy. Oh!
That's a shot.
It's like a golden shower.
I want to go out in the 350.
Yeah, that seems like a good idea.
We can go out in the 350 once you finish your jobs.
Well, I'll fix 2 things.
I'm going in a minute. I reckon we should get in the skid machine now.
You got back seats, has it?
It's got a boot that tells you how to fit your golf clubs in though.
I've seen that one, yeah.
Yeah. So there is
What
that.
350Z driver has golf clubs?
All of them.
Apparently enough to actually put instructions
To
in the
warrant
boot.
instructions.
Yeah, it's on the 40, 60 and 80, all people say is they're great cars, you're just wearing your golf clubs going.
The best thing about the Sierra, right, it's big enough to fit golf clubs in, but when, you know, chavs of the 80s beat their missus a bit too hard and had to get her to A&E without anyone noticing, straight in the boot.
Bastard. So, you know them bolts you're putting on now?
Yeah.
what do they hold on? They hold on the switches.
Yes.
So that's why I couldn't get it off then, because they got bolts on the back.
Yeah.
That's a really awkward design. So you got to take the whole console out first before you can just take that little bit out.
Yep. Not good, is it?
There you go, folks. If you need to get the switches out, they're the 2 bolts.
Right, boys, I'm going to love you and leave you, but you can get a brilliant shot of driving the Sierra away. Don't tag me in this video on Facebook if I'm smoking fags in it, because my mum will hit me really hard. Shout out to L.T Motors. Shout out to Sierras in general. And support your local drug dealer.
See you later.
Bye, Alex. Sad for helping.
No worries, man.
Yeah, well, camera, look, he's natural.
Thankfully, Lewis has managed to save the day. Like I said, he's fixed all the problems that I caused originally. There might have been a little bit of bodging, but that's okay. That's pretty much what we wanted. The whole car's built on a bodge, isn't it, Lewis? L.T Motors, if you need anything doing, especially wiring. Do you specialise in anything, Lewis, or just
not really,
just jobbery?
Yeah, I'm good at most things to do.
Fixing people's shit, basically. So if you've made some shit for yourself, get Lewis to clean it up. That's what I do. He's going to do a bit of soldering now, so we'll turn the camera off.